Have you ever been stuck in a decision-making loop, weighing every possible option until you feel completely frozen? If so, you're not alone. Decision paralysis is something we all experience at some point, whether it's choosing between two career paths or deciding what to have for dinner. Decision paralysis happens when we overanalyze our options to the point where we can't make a choice. It often stems from fear of making the wrong decision, fear on missing out on other opportunities, or fear of failing altogether. But here's the thing. Not making a decision is itself a decision. It's a choice to stay stuck. And the good news is you can break free from this cycle by learning strategies to simplify your decision-making process and build confidence in your choices. In this video, I'll share practical tips to help you overcome decision paralysis and make confident choices, no matter how big or small the decision. From understanding the root cause of indecision to leveraging frameworks that guide you towards clarity, these strategies are designed to empower you to take action. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why decision paralysis happens, but also have the tools to navigate it with confidence. Whether you're facing a major life choice or trying to move forward in your career, these tips will help you make decisions that align with your goals and values. Every decision you make, big or small, shapes your path forward. Learning how to decide effectively isn't just a skill, it's a superpower that you can use to help achieve your ambitions, overcome obstacles, and seize new opportunities. Later in this video, we'll dive into actionable strategies like setting clear priorities, reducing overwhelm, and using frameworks like the OODA loop to make decisions faster and smarter. Confident decision-making is just a few steps away. So let's get started. The first step to overcoming decision paralysis is identifying the root cause of your indecision. Decision paralysis doesn't just happen. It's often driven by specific fears or patterns. Are you afraid of making the wrong choice? Do you feel overwhelmed by too many options? Or maybe you're worried about how others will react. When you understand what's holding you back, you can address it directly. For example, if your fear of failure is your root cause, you can reframe the decision as an opportunity to learn, no matter the outcome. Here are 3 ways to pinpoint the root cause. Write down your thoughts. Jot down what's making you hesitate and look for patterns. Ask yourself why. Dig deeper by asking why repeatedly to uncover the underlying issue. Talk it out. Sometimes sharing your concerns with a trusted friend or mentor can help you gain clarity. Next, it's essential to set clear priorities. When every option seems equally important, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Instead, focus on what matters most in the context of the decision you're making. Here's how to do it. Define your goal. What's the outcome you're hoping to achieve? List your criteria. Write down the factors that matter most, like time, cost, or alignment with your values. Rank your options. Based on your criteria, rank each option to see which one aligns most closely with your priorities. By identifying root causes and setting clear priorities, you're already laying the foundation for confident decision-making. Now that we've addressed the basics, let's explore how to simplify your options and break free from analysis paralysis. Simplifying your options is a powerful way to regain clarity. Too many choices can lead to overwhelm, so focus on narrowing them down. Eliminate non-essentials. Remove options that clearly don't meet your needs. Group similar choices. Combine overlapping options into one single category. Set a limit. Restrict yourself to 3 to 5 options for a more focused approach. Next, let's tackle analysis paralysis. This happens when overanalyzing keeps you stuck. To break free, set a time limit. Decide how long you'll spend analyzing before making a choice. Trust your gut. Sometimes your instincts are more reliable than overthinking. Accept imperfection. No decision is perfect, and that's okay. Finally, take small, actionable steps to build the momentum. When decisions feel overwhelming, breaking them into smaller pieces makes them manageable. For example, a simple pros and cons list for one option. Take one small action, like sending an email or researching a key detail. Test a decision on a small scale to see how it works. Small steps not only reduce overwhelm, but also build confidence and clarity. Let's shift gears to discuss the emotional side of decision making. Emotions play a significant role in how we choose. Managing them effectively is key. Start by balancing logic and emotion. While decisions should be grounded in facts, your emotions provide valuable context. Here's how to strike the balance. Use data to guide you. Look at measurable outcomes. Listen to your intuition. Ask why you feel drawn to certain options. Weigh long-term impacts. Consider both logical results and emotional fulfillment. Next, manage decision anxiety. Anxiety can paralyze you, but it doesn't have to. Here's how. Shift your mindset. Focus on the benefits of success rather than the risks of failure. Practice self-compassion. Mistakes are opportunities to grow, not reasons to beat yourself up. Visualize your success. Picture how your decision could lead to positive outcomes. By addressing both logic and emotion, you'll create a decision process that feels grounded and empowering. Finally, let's focus on building a decision-making framework and reflecting on past decisions to improve over time. A framework gives you structure to your decisions, making the process easier and more consistent. To create one, define your values. What's important to you? Set criteria. Decide which factors are non-negotiable. Use a scoring system. Quantification is key. Rate options based on alignment with your values and criteria. Reflecting on past decisions helps you learn and grow. Ask yourself, what worked well? What could I have done differently? Are there patterns I can learn from? By combining a framework with regular reflection, you'll build long-term confidence in your decision-making capability. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it. Check out the link in the description to join my newsletter for more tips on decision-making and personal growth. And as always, stay creative, take action, and go out there and make your mark. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.